This is one of the sample files for Word. The name of the file is lincoln.txt. It's an ordinary text file, but what I've done is copied it and pasted it into Word. We still see files like this every once in a while where they've got some junk at the beginning of every line and you'd like to get rid of it. There's two ways to get rid of it. One is just to do a find and replace, and that is on the Home tab. Way over here on the right, there's a replace button. And we can simply tell it that we want to find all the places where I've got three greater than signs put together and replace them with, and don't put anything here, and that will get rid of them. Now if I do replace all, they're all gone. There's 17 lines and we have those three greater than symbols at the beginning of each line. Okay, let's close this and let's undo it. And I want to show you another way that really comes in handy sometimes. And that is if you ever want to select a rectangle on the screen. Now, by default, if you try to select stuff, if you just take your mouse here and click and drag down, you get the entire line at a time. You can't pick out a chunk of your document and just select it, a chunk out of the middle. You've got to do an entire line at a time. It's basically all the line or none of the line, unless you're on the very first or last line, then you can select part of it. But there's a little trick in Word that I don't think a lot of people know about, and it allows you to select a rectangle in your text, any place in your text, like this. Okay, you don't need this very often, but when you do, it is very handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a rectangle over here, and I'm going to tell you how to do that. You hold the Alt key down, press the Alt key down first, and then take your mouse and drag over the area that you want to be selected, and then press the delete key now to get rid of it, and it's gone. I could have also cut that out of this document and pasted it into another document if that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so if you ever need to select a rectangle on the screen in Word, that's a great way that can save you a lot of time.